How to change your desktop name in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your desktop name in your Windows. Let's get started. Open up your settings first, and then you need to go to System on the left hand side. There you can see desktop QJC, something like this, and you can see rename option. Just tap on it, and then now you can use a combination of letters, hyphens and numbers. Enter the text and just hit next, and there you go, your desktop name has been changed. You just need to restart, and once you restart, it will be changed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.